Good morning. A very warm welcome to the world of information and communication technology. Okay, previous class we already discussed about the mail merge technique. Okay, today let us discuss about another method of mail merge technique. Okay, previous class we prepared a letter for parents about school youth festival, right? Today we are going to prepare participant cards. Okay, you must have seen the participant cards given during the district youth festival or science fairs, etc. Okay, you all know about the participant cards. Okay, in a participant card, there is name, class, then items of the students. Okay, then school name, then what program, that is school kalotsavam or science fair, it fair, like that. Okay, then the year of that program. Okay, first we have to create a participant card or a format of participant card in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, then collect the data of students like name, class, their items. Okay, collect the database in your spreadsheet software LibreOffice Calc. Okay, that is important. Okay, first we have to create a sample of a participant card. Okay, you can see a sample of a participant card in your textbook. Okay, yes, for that you need to open applications office LibreOffice Writer for preparing participant card. Okay, there is a mechanism to create participant card easily, that is frame. Okay, you can see in your textbook frames are used to place text or images within a document in such a way that they can be placed anywhere in the document separated from the main contents. A frame can be placed anywhere in the page according to your convenience. Okay, let's insert a frame in LibreOffice Writer. Just go to insert menu and click on frame, then frame, insert, frame for adding a frame in LibreOffice Writer. And you can specify the width and height here. Otherwise, you can click just OK, and you can resize the frame. Okay, you can position it from anywhere in the page. Okay, yes. Then for adding the background color, you can just click on this sides of this frame and click this background color option. Just select a color. Okay, yes, then click insert frame. Okay, then add just one more frame to this frame for typing text attractively. Okay, then change its background color also. Okay, yes, like this participant card. Okay, okay, let's type school kalotsavam. School kalotsavam. Okay, this is just a model of a participant card. Okay, then you can type school kalotsavam, then the year and date of this program and school's name. Okay, then Card consists of name, class, and the items of the student. Okay. The specialty of this section is we are creating four participant cards in one page. Four participant cards in one page. Okay. This is only one participant card. Okay. You have to create three more participant card on one page, first page. Okay. Yes, that's very important thing. And the ODS file, a model of ODS file is on school resources folder. Okay, you can see in standard 10 folder, participant.ods. That's your database folder. You can see name, class, item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, there is a one more field, register number also. Okay. Yes, that's in your database field. It's only a model of an ODS, that is a LibreOffice Calc file. Okay. Okay. Then you have to create three more frames, and you have to type participant card title, name, class, item from here. Okay. Okay. I just created four frames and participant card format in one page. Okay, you can see four frames for participant card format in one page, in a single page. You can see school colorsome 2017 and the date and the name of a school. Just an example. Then participant card, it consists of name, class, then items. Okay. Then just add the database file into this participant card. That is important. You just click on the cursor on the first line name, then go to insert menu, field menu, more field, insert field, more fields, and just click on database, mail merge field. Okay, then add the database file. Just browse and go to home folder, school resources, standard 10, uh, participant.ods. That's your database file. Okay, right. Then click on this arrow, sheet 1, this arrow also. Okay, you can see register number, name, class, item 1, item 2, item 3 fields in your database. And in your participant card there is no register number. Okay, then leave it, no problem. And you just add, double click on name. Okay, then place the cursor on class. Just add class, item 1, item 2, item 3. The next is very important. Listen carefully. Okay. After adding these items or these fields, just go to next participant card. Okay. Place the cursor here. Just place the cursor here and go to this field window. Double click on next record type. Just double click on next record, then go to again mail merge field, then click on this arrow, then add name, class, item 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry, item 3. Okay, then again place the cursor here, double click on next record, again go to mail merge field, click on arrow, name, class, item 1, item 2, and last item 3. Then again Place the cursor here, double click on next record, go to mail merge field, click on this arrow, name, class, item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, you just close this field window. Okay, okay, we added the database field into this ODT file. Okay, then just go to file menu, print, click on yes option, click on the output file from here, just click OK, then specify the path, type a name. Okay, school, just click save button. Okay, you can see a school.odt file in your desktop. Just double click on that desktop, you can see the names of students and the items and class. Amal Krishna AV, Abhishek V, 9th A Light Music, and Mimicry, Drama, like that. This is this file consists of 15 pages. Okay, in a single page there are 4 participant cards. Okay, total in 15 pages there is 60 participant cards. Okay, in a single page consists of 4 participant cards. Okay, 15 page consists of 60 participant cards. Okay, this is another method of uh, mail merge. Okay, yes, there is one more activity in your chapter, that is mail merge. The one more activity of based on your mail merge technique. Okay, okay, let's wind up today's session. Okay, I already posted the important points based on your first and second chapter in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you just write down into your notebook. Okay, okay, let's wind up today's session. Today from 7:30 7:30 p.m. Okay, 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. there is an exam, there is an online exam. Okay, based on our ICT chapters 1 and 2. Okay, you already posted about the examination. Okay, study well, have a good day, all the best for your exam. Okay, have a good day everyone, goodbye.